In this video, we are going to learn about the synthesis of estrogen and progesterone. In normal, non-pregnant women, estrogen are secreted mainly by ovaries, although minute amount of estrogen is also secreted by adrenal cortex. During pregnancy, large quantity of estrogen is also secreted by the placenta. There are three main types of estrogens present in plasma: estrone, beta-estradiol, and estriol. If you will see the structure, you will find there is one hydroxy group in estrone, two hydroxy groups in estradiol, and three hydroxy groups in estriol. That's why they are called E1, E2, and E3 respectively. The estrogenic potency of beta-estradiol is 12 times that of estrone and 80 times that of estriol. Therefore, we can say that estrogenic effect of beta-estradiol is many times that of the other two estrogens together. Therefore, beta-estradiol is considered as the major estrogen. Estradiol is the main estrogen found in women in their reproductive age. Estrone is found mainly after menopause, and the main estrogen during pregnancy is estriol. Estrogen synthesis takes place mainly in ovarian follicle. If you see the structure of ovarian follicle, you will find a single oocyte or immature ovum or egg cell at the center. Cluster of cells surrounds the oocyte, which are called cumulus oophorus, that surround the oocyte both in ovarian follicle and after ovulation. Granulosa cells or follicular cells are cells that surround the oocyte within the follicle. Granulosa cells in turn are enclosed in a thin layer of extracellular matrix or basal lamina. Outside the basal lamina, the layer theca interna and theca externa are found. Now let's learn about the estrogen synthesis. Estrogen are synthesized in the ovaries mainly from cholesterol derived from the blood. During the synthesis, mainly progesterone and androgens are synthesized first. During the follicular phase of the ovarian cycle, almost all of the androgen and much of the progesterone is converted into estrogen. Now let me make you understand this process with the help of this diagram. Here you can see inside the theca cells, by the action of LH, cholesterol is converted into progesterone. Acetyl-CoA also takes part in this process. Multiple molecules of acetyl-CoA can combine to form the appropriate steroid nucleus. Cholesterol is the starting material for the biosynthesis of sex steroids like DHT or dihydrotestosterone, progesterone, and estradiol. All of these steroids are synthesized through a common precursor steroid called pregnenolone, which is formed by the enzymatic cleavage of a 6-carbon side chain of 27-carbon cholesterol molecule. This process or reaction is catalyzed by cytochrome P450 side chain cleavage enzyme or P450 SSC or CYP11A1. Ovarian granulosa cells mainly secrete progesterone and its metabolites 20-alpha hydroxyprogesterone or 20-OHP and estradiol, whereas ovarian theca cells predominantly synthesize androgen because theca cells lack the aromatase enzyme. They cannot convert androgen to estradiol. Androgen diffuse out of the theca cells where they are converted to estradiol by the action of aromatase enzyme. Activity of aromatase is stimulated by FSH. So this was all about the synthesis of estrogen and progesterone. In our next lecture or next video, we will learn about the synthesis of testosterone in females.